करनी है। I still want it.
Good to
This is the process.
I like confirmation.
मजा तो आएगा।
It is going to be very fun and exhausting, truly.
That is true.
But
So I don't mind.
you won't regret it. I mean, I really want to do another night duty.
This is your second night duty, no?
Yeah.
See, such a major difference.
Even this is going to be. एक तो ये बाल आते हैं ना लोग
ये लोग तो मेरा पेन भी ले रहे थे कल, बट वो मैंने अपने साथ फिर से मार दिया।
मेरे तो पता नहीं आधी चीजें यहाँ पे पड़ी आधी चीजें आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर माई बॉटल टुडे
Where is
to
what?
be official my bottle got lost in this hospital.
Huge lack of resources. Like we don't have oximeter over here, and we really have to borrow patients' oximeter to check other patients' oxygen level. It's bad. It's just bad.
They only have one goggle. They don't even have a functioning thermometer. Like 3 floors of hospital and there is no thermometer.
Almost 8 guys, and we have a duty from like right now like 8 till next morning 8, which is like this is my first one, but he has done it before. And how was your first experience of like the night duty?
It is amazing but it's tiring. Your legs are shaking but your mind is happy.
Yeah, it's so true. So yeah, this is going to be my first one. I'm so super excited for it. And yes, I'll record as much as I can. And yes. We are making a vlog. We are making the vlog for whole night. Hi. I got the whole bottle for tonight. No. Almost okay. I don't know how to show you guys. I don't have a watch. I'm not wearing watch. The minimal things I'm wearing. So I think it's 12:30 a.m. right now, and patients are about to go to sleep, and we have to keep an eye on them. We have to see if anything happens, anything worsens at the night. So which is like usual, a very hard time for everyone. So at night we have to monitor everything, and anything that happens, when we need to give a call to our medical officer, they'll just help us out to deal with the situation till they are reaching over here. Kind of create a list over here so that we can keep an eye on them. So whatever there is a progress, I keep always writing that this is the level is increasing or anything like that. Yes, creating a bond with the patient and their families is super important, so that they let us know every history. We become friendly with them. They tell us that they're civil engineer, they're doing this, so many bad things happen. So our job is to motivate them as a person as well. So yeah, this is really nice, and so this is what we are doing right now, and we have to motivate the patient family, and everything. Okay, I think there's a chaos right now. Let me just go. I'll continue in a while, alright? There's some voices coming around. Okay, I'll be back. I'm not sure if the sound.
Needs is fucked up, on mental health is fucked up. COVID situation is also fucked up.
This is crazy.
Very bad.
Experience from 8 p.m.
We already had 4 deaths. All the people died within like 2 hours. Like all the 4 people. And
Yeah.
it is not friendly. Trust me, it's not friendly. Get your vaccine.
This shit seriously.
It is very bad.
Very
It is
bad.
Very bad.
Even we realized it, when we saw it, like everything happening right in front of us, and we felt so helpless about it.
We are not even graduate, and yet we are doing stuff with residents. And we are sick. One more emergency.
We always have to stop our vlog because so many things happen differently. Happened with me today. There was Sati, and she was having her oxygen level at 40. Went with him and just saw, and I put the oximeter and the level was 40. I was fucking scared. And right in front of me, it was happening 39, 38, 37, 36. I felt so helpless. I had no idea what to do. I called the medical officer, sir, and I told him to come ASAP, I cannot see someone dying in front of me. It was so bad. It was so bad for me to see. Then everyone came gladly at time. Sparsh came, sir came, nurses came. I still managed, to keep her. I just managed to keep her talking, and her oxygen level at 35, 36, 40, 44. It was 44 when sir came, and then we had to put hydrocortisone. We did atropine, we did adrenaline, we tried all the injections that we could, and it's God's plan after all. It was so bad for me. I did not wanted that to happen. Plan. We have to be grateful for everything, to be honest. Is it okay now?
Look.
You want the nurse?
Yeah, servant is coming, but I don't know what. If you get COVID, you get sufferings. Lots of suffering. Either of the hospital you get admitted, you have to suffer. So even if you have money, you don't get COVID because COVID will make you suffer. And the death is very bad. COVID death is very bad. It's instantaneous, it's spontaneous, and it takes away lots of relations with them. The people crying out of the ward right now, not right now. 2 hours before, it was way bad. Every day we see deaths, approximately 2 to 3 deaths. Today it was 4. Tonight it was 4. And still every day it is that sad. But still we are not allowed to break down. That is the worst part of this entire scenario. I mean, we are not supposed to.
Yeah, we can't. We cannot.
Also, we are so worried about our parents right now who are staying at home, because whenever we see any COVID patient right here, anything that comes in our mind is these people would have gone out to buy sabji or dal or doodh or something, and they would have got the COVID. Then we think of our parents who are still 60s something. What will happen to them if they get COVID? We are not here. We are not there with them. Yeah. COVID is going to stay for like 1 or 2 more months.
I just feel like sitting for a while. Yeah.
Also, this is recording, right? It is recording, right?
Yeah, I'll just keep it on forever.
There is this lady, I won't say the name, I can't say the name, but she is approximately 80 plus and she's so sweet. She's suffering from COVID right now, as in she's kind of serious. She's old and she's serious because COVID is not easy on the older people.
People have worked so hard to create that. People have worked so hard to protect us, so many people, from this coronavirus. Okay, so please take it seriously, guys. I request you guys that take care of yourself, take care of your family, do all the necessary precautions, and just stay in and take care. I'm still gonna continue this, and yeah, right now we have to write the city hall and everything, so let them come. Okay, till then I'm also going on a round. I'll also check everyone.
Subscribe to the channel. Like, share, comment, subscribe.
यार मैं को embarrass मत कर. I don't want anyone else to tell me that she didn't write coffee. I don't like that shit.
You don't scold me. अगर गलत नहीं है saying, मुझे जितना पता है ना उतना ही तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ. You cannot scold me if anything comes up.
If anything is wrong, you are responsible for my mistakes. You will be responsible. Seven से सब लोगों ने सिर्फ 4 ही चीजें.
Gloves are way too sweaty. I cannot hold my pen. So
Yeah, I have to cut it out.
जिस स्पीड से लिख रहा है ना नहीं खत्म होगा.
Yeah, you told me आराम से बैठ के लिखते हैं. The speed मैं जिससे मैं लिख रही हूँ, that is बहुत
आराम से
खराब.
बैठने को बोला था, लिखने का आराम से नहीं बोला था.
बस एक चीज़ और बता दे, ये क्या लिखा हुआ है?
अरे बहुत कुछ पूछेगी तो क्या? पर्पल.
What purple? What is this? What is this
There is
handwriting?
a new tablet called as tablet purple. If any of MBBS
I don't even understand कि ये क्या लिखा हुआ है. ये हवा में जो उड़ा रखा है L, this is like W or
If
something.
any MBBS वाले बच्चे is looking at this, please tell us what the tablet purple is with हवा में 100.
ऐसा मत बोल. This is what I don't like. I don't want कि मेरे वजह से किसी और को डांट पड़े.
This is the phase 3 of our MBBS की some sexy duty जो आगे के 10 साल वाले MBBS वालों को नहीं मिलने वाली. पीछे के 10 साल वाले MBBS ने की
कि नहीं. Right.
मेरी शक्ल के फोरहेड पे बाल कवर कर दो. मेरे बाल को काम कर रहा है पर मेरे बाल में कवर कर.
क्लिप चाहिए?
हाँ यार आई
ये क्लिप.
उसके बाद
अब ठीक लग रहा है.
मेरी आंखों को मेरे चश्मे ने कर दिया. देखिएगा पूरा मुंह 2 मास ने कर दिया. हाउ विल पीपल लुक एट हाउ दैट?
See,
फिर भी
this is the close-up view.
this is the fucked up view. 4 people have died today and I have given 3 people CPR. I think I broke 1 बंदे की rib also, but I think shouldn't be. This is fucked up. इससे पहले वाले 93 में 2 people died, so मेरी प्रेजेंस में approximately 6 people have died, which is the highest score because मैंने अपनी लाइफ में देखी ही around 10 deaths. So 4 deaths is like 6 deaths is in 2 days. COVID is serious. Yeah, we really did it.
We did actually. Scared upstairs, huh? Though I was fuck
Her
scared.
first duty, but she was really. मतलब watching 4 deaths on the first duty is also she handled a very critical patient amazingly. This
Oh
is
my
definitely
god.
going in a glove.
Oh my god.
Amazingly. मतलब I was impressed.
I made her talk to her relatives so that she, she's speaking at least, and I saw an improvement in the oxygen level.
What a hava! What a hava! This hava is the
Yeah.
hottest place of Gujarat. Oh, ये बोल रहा
और ऊपर से मीट सर.
और मैं.
और मैं. क्या?
he said is making a video with me. And I'm making videos like this. That too. 3 other MBBS, we have talked twice.
Twice, yeah. Listen,
And within the last 3 days, we have talked every day. I think so,
Yeah.
almost more than 12 hours. And she has bullied me a lot.
No, not at all. No, we really had like the longest conversation in the past 3 days. That's it.
And lots of bullying.
No, not at all.
Pocha बनाते हैं मुझसे. Generally.
घंटा.
ये इसकी फटी पड़ी है अंदर से.
Hey, no, I'm serious. I'm chill. I don't care. मैं जितना कर रही हूँ उतना कर रही हूँ because I want to do my job well. But
Job, nobody is paying you. We are not getting paid only. Who hasn't completed his graduation has ever gone through this what we are going through right now. I mean, we are trying to keep it light with jokes and everything, but it's very bad. I mean, very, very, very bad. It is sick. Right now,
He
हमें
is what he
सिंगापुर में
needs.
होना चाहिए, थाईलैंड में होना चाहिए, बैंकॉक में होना चाहिए, enjoying our college life. The health system, even after so much of this shit, is working. Value your doctors.
respect, man,
Never
respect.
say doctors take paisa. They take paisa of what they do. They don't take only 1/4 of the paisa of what they do. I have seen them work like day and night. We are not even leaving the hospitals as in the 10-6 students just do duty every day. They're not leaving hospital for 1 minute. Like we reach 5 minutes early before the shift starts. We reach actually today we reached 20 minutes early before the shift starts. We relieved
They were
them.
still working inside.
They were still there. We got an orientation for like 15-20 minutes. Then the people who will replace us after this duty, they'll also reach 10 minutes early. It is a continuous cycle of people coming and going and blah, blah, blah.
Lot of work.
So also the myth that doctors are not doing anything and stuff is also wrong. Very wrong.
Respect.
Wrong politically and pathetically.
6:33, and we have time till 8, right?
We have
1.5 hours
yes.
to write this thing.
She handled a crisis on her own, just calling me. I mean, the MO was standing right beside me, so I was asking him. He's MBBS pass out.
How old is he? He looks like 25, 24.
27 तो हो गई लग रहे इसके 25.
तो भी चलेगा मेरे को क्या है?
यार,
अरे मैंने saw him like उसके lashes.
So guys having 6 packs are handsome is a myth. Because them.
Yeah, for me it is.
Trust me that MO is a crush of जितनी भी लड़के यहाँ पे है ना approximately 6
Definitely.
people. Finally after 14 hours we are
Exactly.
मतलब
We left around 8 p.m. and it's
we never left around 8 p.m. It was
yeah. It was 7:30.
हमारे जान PT. I really need a bath.
No, we need an ice cream first. बोल देना रुक जाएंगे रास्ते में please
नहीं
यार.
बहुत गंदा. अपन शाम को निकलेंगे ना शायद.
नहीं.
We'll celebrate शाम को. तूने बोला ना तेरे को enjoyment से खाना है.
हाँ ठीक
ऐसे लुफ्त उठा के खाइयो आइसक्रीम.
ठीक है. Crazy experience, seriously.
Very crazy.
It was very tiring and but fun at the same time. You know, it's like exciting. And इतनी धूप है सुबह 9 बजे कहाँ इतनी धूप होती है यार मतलब.
But this night duty will be celebrated by ice cream
Yes.
at 6 p.m.